Hey everybody, it's Bobby here filling in for my mom again. Here's something fun and easy. We're going into summertime and everybody's out by the pool and at the beach and outside in the yard having a great time with the kids or what have you. And everybody wants a quick and easy snack, and I've got one for you. First thing that you might not know about me is that I could eat saltines or any kind of chip or cracker until the cows come home. I love them. And saltines can be toyed with and dressed to make into fun little snacks. And today I'm going to show you but one way to do that. Now, these are some of the seeds and seasonings and things that I like, but you could do whatever you wanted to make these different at your house. So we're going to start with some saltines, okay? Inexpensive, quick, easy. Some melted butter, all right, which is a staple here in this home. And I'm going to, and I've melted the butter, obviously. So I'm going to kind of liberally paint my saltines. Maybe not as liberally as my mom would do it, but liberally. And this is going to act as sort of my binder, my glue for the the seasonings that we're going to sprinkle on top. And what's better than a buttery saltine? Oof. And we're going to bake them a little bit after we get them sprinkled. And we'll talk also about the different things that you could put on them. Okay, so I've buttered my saltines, and I've got caraway seeds. We'll sprinkle a little caraway seed on top. Wonderful. Some sesame seeds. Right on top as well as some celery seed. This is a good combination. These are going to be a really, they're going to have a little bit of bite to them, a lot of flavor. We'll bake these in the oven at 350 for just a few minutes, just enough to brown them and get them crispy and ready to take outside and snack on. Now, maybe like an Old Bay. We probably all have Old Bay in our local grocery stores. Any kind of a fish or a chicken seasoning, something like that. If you like a salty, a little bit more salty, you could drop some big crunchy salt on top, whatever you like. But these are the three things that I like a lot. And now we'll bake them and we'll come right back. For the 5 minutes that these were in the oven, I stood and just ate a sleeve of So I've already had a bunch of saltines, but they were just the plain ones. They're toasty and brown, and they smell great. And again, all we did was we painted them with a little bit of drawn butter, a little caraway seed, sesame seed, and celery seed. And golly, they smell so good. Man, out by the pool, at the picnic, the barbecue, your next potluck, whatever you got. These are so good. People will be amazed. These are just saltines. Yes, they are. But you can dress them with a little butter, celery seed, sesame seed, and caraway. And they're outstanding. Enjoy. I think I will.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.